Well, welcome. Well, in today's video, what I thought I'd do is kind of give you an idea on how expensive San Diego, California is. And I'm currently down in this little coastal town here in San Diego, which is known as La Jolla. And I thought I'd do is kind of take a walk around, do a little bit of sightseeing at the same time, because this is one of the most beautiful areas in San Diego, especially off the coastline. And kind of give you a feel of the city, where I'm going, and maybe stop at a few spots and kind of give you an idea what the expense is while you're here. And I took La Jolla because it is a little bit expensive here. Out of every place in San Diego, this is probably the most upscale area you can find, but I thought I'd give it a shot. So let's go on this little tour. And currently now I'm at, this is Girard Street and Prospect, which is the main areas in La Jolla. So take a little walk and check it out. And I'm going to start making my way north on Girard Street and then make my way down to the Cove. So one of my first stops is at the Lencia Hotel here on Prospect Street here in La Jolla, California. And the starting room price is about $350 US. So let's go in and take a look. Hopefully they won't kick me out, but it's always nice to see these nice places and kind of give a little bit of a tour on what to expect when you pay that type of price. And here is the entrance of it coming up. And this is actually, according to this sign right here, it's a historical hotel. I didn't even know that. I mean, I didn't do my homework on this vlog right here, but it's a cool looking sign coming into the, this is kind of like a little bit of the outside restaurant. Let's see. It's all Christmassy, obviously. Christmas was just a little over a few days ago, actually. And this is the lobby of it. Look at this right here. So beautiful that is. But look at this grandfather clock. That is something. I actually grew up having one of these in my house, and I think they're really cool. Looks like it's not working because it's not 2:30, but they are really something. This is called the Mediterranean room. Look at the view out there. Just want to show you the view of this place. We'll go down and take a look at that pool also. But La Jolla is one of the most expensive areas in San Diego. And I'll try to go out here on the balcony. I don't know how far I'm going to get without being an actual guest here, but we'll see how far we can go. Now this is some of the outdoor dining of this restaurant here in the hotel. And we're going to go down and check the pool out. So far so good. I just love checking pools out. I mean, the one that I stayed in Tijuana did not have a pool, but this one seems to be pretty nice. Oh, nice. I got another nice little overlook. How do you like this? Now this is obviously a Mediterranean style hotel, and you can see just by the amenities on it on why you'd pay a price like that. There's a hot tub over there, it looks like. We'll go down even closer. So I just opened it up on Google just to kind of get a little bit of a history of this place. and it opened up on 1926, and it's located here obviously in southern end of La Jolla, and it's got a lot more history in here, but that's really old. I mean, wow. I mean, oh, look at these waves. I'll have to go down and check some of those waves out down there. Those are massive. We'll see if we can get through the down the other way and go check them out. But that's just a kind of a brief history, and it's really fascinating when you kind of walk around here and you see places like this. It really kind of like gives you a walk through time a little bit. A little bit of the poolside action. Looks like I can't get in there because I don't have a card to get in. Obviously, I am not going to get in. I don't even know if I can get outside. Well, it says beach access, but let's see if I can get to the beach. Maybe I can. Yep, easy. All right. So I just left the hotel that I'm not staying in. Like I say, the purpose of this video is how expensive it is here in San Diego. So I just did kind of a quick little tour, modified because I'm really limited if you're not actually staying there, of that place. Now, let's go check out these waves down here off the coast. It's really nice. I just saw some massive ones while I was overlooking the pool. Yeah, this is one of the prettiest walkways here in La Jolla. And check it out. And the waves are really rolling today. And we're gonna go take a look up there at La Jolla Cove. Absolutely beautiful. I swear it's got to be one of the prettiest coastlines overall in San Diego. And let's give you an idea on how really popular this place is. Look at all these folks. And this is only on a Wednesday. See these sea lions. It's really hard to get a video with all these folks, but check these guys out. Normally this is like what you'd see on the weekend, but not on a Wednesday. But you know, it's holiday week. A lot of folks are off. A lot of people in town visiting. Now this is the Cove coming up here. The Cove is one of my favorite spots here in San Diego. I've come here a number of times. I got numerous videos just on this location alone. So check this iconic view. This is right at the platform before I head back up to Prospect. I just came from over there. And the water is about 60 degrees. So I'm almost back up to Prospect Street, and I'll give you an idea on some of these menus on the outside. Now these are really close to the ocean, obviously, because it's right behind me. But check this out. This is called a Taste of Himalayas. Let's see. Got, I mean, like the starters right here, like homemade steamed dumplings served with our Himalayan sauce, vegetable, $11.99. Down here, got some Indian food there for 25, 40 bucks. And then over here, let's see what we got. This is called olive and basil. Let's see. So you kind of see an idea of the starting price on some of the menus here. And let's check it out one more time. So wild salmon, $27.99. Chicken chipotle wrap, $20. So kind of a little bit of a idea on food-wise. I gotta find a place to stop and get a coffee. They don't even have the prices on here, so no luck there. Usually when they don't put the prices on, that means it's pretty way up there. Just my guess. This place is called the Better Buzz, and these are the prices for just coffee and lattes and all that other stuff. But looks like the line is a little bit long. But let's see, regular coffee is $3. So I'm not sure. I think I'll go find another place. I don't feel like waiting in line that long. Maybe a really quick place, like one of those little side stands, but not this place. Nice area though. I mean, look at it. It's called the Better Buzz. Richard Walker's Pancake House. Oh man. It's voted best pancakes in 2022. Best breakfast, best omelet. Wow. I might have to come back here and just check that place out alone and actually see. I love pancakes. Maybe another day though. Okay, we'll give this one a try. It's called Pete's Coffee. I think it's like a chain place, so let's go there and check it out. Kind of a nice little place. Look at it, see what they have. Little beans. All these sweets right here. Pumpkin chocolate, blueberry. Let's see. Drip coffee, large, $3.75. Have to go with that. I'm still gonna get nailed. This is the brand. I've seen this in stores, so I just picked up some Pete's coffee on the inside, and I wanted to sit on the inside of this little place, but the problem I run into is when they have the background music on, and when I put it on YouTube, it becomes a copyright issue, and I'll get flagged for it. And it's not usually a copyright strike against you. It's just that you can't use that portion of the video. You usually got to silence it out or cut that part out. So, you know, as a YouTuber, especially starting this, I've run into those problems before. So when I start coming into the establishments, I really pay attention to the background music. But pretty good coffee right here. It's kind of like a franchise place, and so far so good. And we passed a few of the other spots. Started out there in one of the more expensive hotels in La Jolla, La Lencia. I think the starting room price about $350 a night, and then took a little walk alongside Jolla Cove area, which is really popular here in San Diego, and then checked out some menu prices. So that is like giving you a cost of travel in this particular area. So thank you for following along, and let's kind of continue on with this little adventure. This is the end of this video of my little adventure here on how expensive is San Diego. kind of give you an idea what you would be paying if you are traveling here. And hope you like it. You know, if you like this type of content, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Really does help out my channel. And just give you a little bit of a travel update. I will be taking off to Southeast Asia here in very early 2024 for another long adventure trip over there. So I'm looking forward to that. So in the meantime, it's just a matter of making some videos around San Diego and maybe going back down to Mexico again. So see you in my next video from San Diego, La Jolla.